Hello, this is James with Week 9, Experiment 2 of the Physics Alpha course. For this experiment, I'm going to explore snoring. So first of all, why do we snore? So I have this visual pulled up here. So this is a human's lungs. So when you inhale air, it goes through here. But when you're sleeping, then this muscle relaxes and then it droops down, which partially blocks the airway and makes it harder for the air to enter. When that becomes severe, then it goes down too much that it has to vibrate in order for it to work. So that's the sound of snoring. Sometimes when it goes too far down and then it actually completely blocks your breathing, it may cause harm to your other organs. Next, I will be introducing earplugs. So I found a brand of earplugs that is widely liked. So it's called Max Ultra Soft Earplugs, and it blocks a lot of noise. It's #1 doctor recommended and has a high noise reduction rating. So now I'm going to recommend it to my mom because my dad snores and she doesn't. Okay, so for this last part, I Googled mouthpiece for sleep apnea, which is basically snoring. So how these work are they use your front teeth friction to move your back teeth forward and to clear the airways. So I'm going to recommend this to my dad because he snores.
Really?
And I'm going to recommend him to go to the doctor and get a pair of these.
OK， 我谢谢你哈。
That's it for this experiment. Thank you for listening.